Hello, my name is Mateusz. Today I'd like to introduce you to RM08, a super small magnetic rotary encoder. The RM08 is an ultra-compact rotary encoder, smaller than the size of 1-cent coin, yet capable of operating at high speeds. Designed for various applications, it features IP68 rating, ensuring durability and reliability. Its non-contact design with reed head and magnet prevents any friction and ensuring long-term reliability. Designed for seamless integration into high-volume OEM applications, the RM08 is ideal for a wide range of applications, from precise angular positioning in motors to industrial automation, where size and accuracy are critical factors. The system has a resolution of 12 bits in a body diameter of only 8 mm and accuracy of ± 0.3 degrees. It's available in 3.3 volts or 5 volt power supply versions and can operate at high speeds of up to 30,000 RPM. It offers multiple formats, including industry standard, sinusoidal analog, incremental, SSI, and linear voltage. For more information about the RM08 encoder series, I invite you to visit our website. There you can easily configure the system, check prices, or download technical documents such as datasheets or 3D files. If you have any further questions about our products, my colleagues and I will be happy to answer them by email.